floor, and the particular tile that was hit will be slippery. Okay, so all of the tiles will start off as not slippery with the checkbox unchecked. Okay, so right now we are just creating reusable objects. Okay, for these slippery floors. Okay, so that we can keep reusing them. Okay, without creating a new one each time. Okay, basically they are the same, but they will be using different sprites that we have created just now. Okay, which is why there is a type 1, type 2 and type 3. Okay, to allow for some sort of variety, so that at least when they appear within the game, okay, they won't look all the same. Okay, it's the same thing with the tiles. Okay, where each tile has around 3 types that will appear within the game. Okay, now that we have included them within the game project itself, okay, let's see how we can make them appear within the game when it is running. Okay, there are a number of ways we can do this. And one of them is within the enemy attack script, which is what each and every frost breath particle is. Okay, so over here, when a frost breath particle hits the bottom floor, it will be destroyed. So before destroying it, what we can do is check to see if the floor is already slippery or not. Okay, if it is already slippery, that means that the thin layer of ice has already been created and displayed. Okay, if not, we will create and display the thin layer of ice. Okay, so I know sometimes, okay, during the White Sponge live stream, there might be some extended streaming of coding and stripping. Okay, so sometimes it might seem boring, okay, but okay, it is essential to making the game work. Okay, so this is also one part of streaming that is fully transparent to you. Okay, usually I will try to explain in simple terms. Okay, as translated from the script or code. Okay, so we will also create an array of game objects here, where we can include the 3 different types of slippery ice layers to create and display randomly on top of the bottom floor. Okay, so okay, so let me fix that first. Okay, 1 for 1 here. Okay. Okay, now that we have that fixed, okay, what we need to do next is come over to this small little particle which is created hundreds and hundreds of times each time the ice boss does his froze breath. Okay, and over here we will create the layer with a size of 3. And we will drag and drop the 3 slippery floors to the array. So now we can create the thin layer of slippery ice based on the randomly decided number 0, 1 or 2. Hey, what's up, Garrett? Thanks for dropping by. How is your 2015 coming along? Okay, right now we are focused on adding one of the attacks for the new ice boss. And we will place this new slippery floor just right on top of the tile of the bottom floor. Okay, and we'll also need this slippery floor to destroy itself, or rather disappear, within a number of seconds. So which means we'll need a new script. Just for this slippery floor. Game objects. Okay, we'll call this new script self-destroying object. And we will add it to the 3 thin layers of ice. Self-destroying object. Okay, so what this new script will do, okay, is that it will destroy whatever object it is attached to after a number of seconds. Hey, free rolling, welcome back. How's your weekend coming along? Hey, I'm good too, thanks for asking. Okay, after all, this is the first awesome weekend of 2015. Okay, so we have the froze breath animation for the boss, and right now we are adding the thin slippery layer of ice that will appear on top of the bottom floor. Okay, this is just a simple script to destroy any objects after a number of seconds. So for these 3 layers of ice that are slippery, okay, we'll say that we'll destroy them after 3 seconds. And on top of that, after 3 seconds, we'll have to set the tiles as not slippery anymore. Okay, but before that, let's play test the game to make sure that the slippery floors will be created and displayed correctly on top of the bottom floor. Okay, so before that, we'll need to clear the ice stage first. Okay, lucky me, I got a health orb. Okay, so now when the... Oh, okay. Okay, so what happened was that the slippery floor was created, but okay, it should not create a collision between the particles of the frost breath. So let's turn that off. Okay, and they were displayed too high above the bottom floor. Okay, so I have reduced the starting position. So let's try that again. Oh shit. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, so a good indicator of whether a game is challenging or not is when you see someone who created the game and dies from it. Okay, I'm trying to sneak in from above, but it's not easy to do so. Damn it. Okay. Hey, what's up, Spot Gaming TV? Thanks for dropping by. How's your first weekend of 2015 coming along? Enemy breath. Slippery floor. Okay. Okay, so the hundreds and hundreds of small little blue particles are actually the enemy breath, but not the enemy attack. So now that we have changed that, that should work. Okay, but before that we'll need to clear this stage. Oh shit. Okay, so notice how the bottom floor has a new thin layer of ice created when the breath particles hit the bottom floor. Okay, but notice how the thin layer of ice is not disappearing by themselves. So that is a bug which we'll have to fix right away. Okay, notice how the boss teleports from a spot to another. Okay, whenever he is changing from throwing the purple ice shards to using his frost breath. Oh shit. Okay, now the thin layers of ice should destroy by themselves, or rather disappear by themselves after around 3 seconds.